Hello friends, welcome back to the many video guys and my YouTube channel. Today friends we are going to talk about guys Poco mobile setting, and today friends I am going to show guys Poco mobile guys password security setting, and today video title is guys how to set up face lock in Poco mobile. Friends, you want to set up face lock, you want to use face lock setting in Poco mobile. So friends, how to use it one by one and step by step friends we will talk about. So before starting video friends, first of all go and subscribe the channel, click the bell icon, like the video guys. So friends, open your phone setting. After phone setting friends, how to set up face lock. Friends, one by one, step by step I will tell you. Open your phone, face unlock option, add face data. You want to add your face data, click on next option. Select your password type first, pattern, pin and password. So friends, I will use face lock plus pattern. Remember your screen lock, set pattern, and friends use 4 dots pattern. 3 dot pattern you cannot set. 1 2 3 4 dots pattern I will set here. Confirm option, add face data, start option, click here, wait for 5 seconds. After 5 seconds click on next option, show your face inside the frame and you can set up face lock. After show face friends, face lock will add successfully, turn option, and friends you can unlock your device with face lock and you can use face lock setting. Off your screen, show your face, phone will unlock automatic. Off your screen, you want to unlock your phone with pattern lock, draw your device pattern, you can unlock your device. So like that friends, you can use password security setting and you can set up face lock in your Poco mobile. Friends, open your phone setting. After phone setting friends, open your phone password security setting. You want to add fingerprint lock, enter your device password, you can add fingerprint lock. And friends, you want to change your lock screen password, you can change lock screen password. And you want to show your pattern lock, you can show pattern, and you can off your pattern lock password setting. And friends, if you click here turn off screen lock, so friends you can check this notification, face lock and fingerprint lock will delete automatic if you remove screen lock. After turn off screen lock friends, you can check lock screen password and face lock will remove. You can unlock your device with swipe lock without any password, without any face lock. So bye friends, thanks for watching the video. I hope you understood how to set up face lock, how to use face lock setting in Poco phone device. Bye.